Today we're going to replace the diesel filter of a Corsa D 2011 or 1.3 CDI, 95 horsepower. And this is the new one, and that's the old one, needs to go out. And I will let you see how to do this. Okay, the first thing you need to do is remove this cover. If you pull, you hear a click and it is out. And this side same, just pull it, and remove it, like that. Now we get more space to access this bolt here, and you will need a socket 10 millimeters for that. Put this together. It's a lot of tightness here. And then you need also disconnect the minus, because of if the pump registers less pressure, it will activate the pump, and then you get a problem here because everything got wet. So what we're gonna do is remove this also to work safe with the plugs there if you remove it. So let's remove it. And keep it aside, because it doesn't matter if it touches the chassis, because it is the minus. Now we can continue here, removing this bolt. Once removed, it gets out, and you need to click here with a screwdriver and release this box. And remember which one you removed, because the direction of the gas is important when mounting the new one. Okay, we put them out now. Here are the two wires, keep left and right aligned. And now on the bottom side, this can also be removed, just pulling about it. You can pull it, and that's it. And now you need to remove this one. You can just rotate it anti-clockwise and put it on the new filter. When rotating and pulling this out, it will leak a lot of diesel, so you need to put something down here to catch it up. So you're gonna do that. So you can rotate it anti-clockwise like this, and it is better if you keep it upside down. That's a lot of diesel coming out right now. But it's better to work with an empty filter. And that's it. A little gasket here that also needs to be replaced. You get it with the new one. You get it. Like that. Rotate it till it fits right. You need to put this plastic back again from the other one. Need to go that side. And then click this one just in. that. And the other one. It's very hard to let you see what I'm doing. Okay, now push it and click. That's enough. And now you can mount it back here again. It's the bracelet. And the bolt back in. Tied it up. And that's it. Okay, now we need to put the minus on again. Put the minus on and tied it up. Go inside. Put the ignition on a few times. Off, on again. You needed to do 3 times to be sure that the filter is full. If it stops buzzing, you do it again. Okay, now we're starting up after 3 times pumping. There we go. So easy as that. Filter is replaced.